The CyperPRO is a new Game Boy-style console that is designed for hackers and hardware enthusiasts. It features a number of unique features, including the CyperPRO is open hardware, which means that anyone can design and manufacture their own custom version of the console. This makes it a great platform for hackers and hardware enthusiasts to experiment with. The CyperPRO's firmware is also hackable, which means that users can customize the console to their liking. This can be used to add new features, improve performance, or simply make the console more unique. The CyperPRO is modular, which means that users can swap out different components to customize the console. This includes the screen, buttons, and even the processor. Overall, the CyperPRO is a promising new console that has the potential to be a powerful tool for hackers and hardware enthusiasts. It is a platform that can be used to create new and innovative Game Boy games and applications. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.